Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So if you see the charts of Nifty have closed above 16,838.40. Nifty was taking support from 800 and later it breaked it, but now Nifty has closed above it. So now 16,850 will act as a support for Nifty, and if Nifty goes below 16,850, Nifty can fall till 16,750. And now the next resistance is in the range of 16,950 to 17,070. So 16,950 and 17,070 will be the targets on the higher side, and once Nifty sustains above 17,070, Nifty can go till 17,200. So if you see the charts of Bank Nifty closed near the previous swing. So if it crosses 35,400, you can buy Bank Nifty and the targets will be 35,800 on the higher side. It has a support at 35,000, 35,100. So 35,000 to 35,100 range will act as a support range, and 35,800 will act as a resistance. Above 35,800, Bank Nifty can go till 36,000. So our first stock is Canara Bank. If you see the chart, it has closed near the resistance area. So if it crosses 224, you can buy it. The next resistance is at 232, 235. So 232 and 235 will be your target, and you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 219. Now let's see our second stock. Our second stock is Tata Chem, and if you see the chart, it has closed above the previous resistance. So if it crosses today's high, that is 938.50, you can buy it, and you will have to maintain a stop loss at 928, and your target will be 975. So that's all for today's video. If you liked my video, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.